Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail username quickly and easily. Whether you're looking to update your personal or business email address, this process is straightforward. First, open your Gmail account in your web browser. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. Next, navigate to Info and select Name. Here you can edit your name and nickname. After making your changes, click Save to each one, and this will update your Gmail username. And that's it. Your Gmail account now reflects the new username you have chosen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.